We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms. Huh? You ready to open your box? Should we see what's inside? Yeah, here. Let's see what's inside. Goodness, lots of stretches. Oh, look at that. What is that? This looks like a turd. What is this? Oh, it's an ice cream sandwich. So it says, ice cream sandwich. It's got catnip in it. Is it the good kind? Is it the good kind? This is funny. That's really funny. That could be you. That could be you. That's cute. And then we have a boop and smooch wand. Well, I don't know about booping my cat with a wand. Where are you going? You're not interested in it today? Oh, it's a double. That's why I'm having a hard time pulling it out. There's two. You're not interested? Are you looking to see if anybody else is coming? There we go. Do you want this one? This one's got catnip in it too. Come on. Oh. Here. Here's the t-shirt. It says, I only talk to cat people. And it's kind of my colors. Look at that. Look at that. It's purple and pink, and it's a dusty purple too. I like that. And I just made the trash go over. Now we have binder clips. I don't know what these people think we need so many paper clips and binder clips for. Who has paper to attach to other pieces of paper? And then this is a mini wallet. Meow money. Meow money. That's funny. And a Mod Meow wall clock. Requires one AA battery. Vivian, do you want the box? Are you not enchanted with cat lady boxes anymore? You don't even want the box? No? Wow. You're something. Okay, let's see what the clock looks like. Well, I guess I'm opening this all by myself today. It should be a black cat. Well, I guess I can go get Zeus and see if he wants to do anything. Mr. Doots. Clean up the trash. Be right back with the Zeus man. Here's the old guy. Let's see. Do you like this? Look right here. Ice cream sandwich. And a box. And a boop and smooch wand. Not sure I understand that, but boop. You can get in the box? You guys are just sleepy today. Yeah. We have thunderstorm warnings and flood watches. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. You can talk to me anyway, huh? Yeah, so I think you guys are just sleepy today. Because the weather's funky. Yeah, the weather's funky. Yeah. You old codger. Yeah, you're an old codger. Hi. Hey, Bibs. Hey, Bibs. It's not the good catnip today, I guess. They didn't use the good catnip. Well, it's a good thing this is like an extra video because you guys are kind of low-key today. You don't want it? It doesn't really smell all that great. I agree. Okay. That's it. Say thanks for watching. Thanks for watching us do nothing. Yeah. Thanks for watching us do nothing. Uh-huh. You're so sleepy. Yeah. I woke you up, didn't I? Alright. You can take a nap in the box. Oh. Yeah, you just want to talk about it for a while? What? Oh. Okay. Can you say bye? Alright.